Hey everybody, Greg here from Two Old Guys with Crossbows, just out in my backyard. Gonna give you a little walk around, see things here. Please don't judge me on all the junk kicking around yet, but it is spring cleanup and we've been doing a little bit here and there. That's the garden over there. Neighbor's shop. There's my shop. Little garage out here full of junk. And of course trampoline for the grandkids. Or us big kids if we feel energetic. This is the fire pit over here. Love to sit around this at night. Yes, looking forward to many a evening around this summer. With friends and family, nice fire going, watching the stars come out, the sunset over to the west over there. That's where I take a lot of my sunset shots, you may have seen. Lots of firewood. Gonna have to go cut some more pretty soon. Big pile of it where we bought it. Still sitting there, needs to be cut and brought here. Garden. Mary loves her gnomes. And her deer standing there. Lost his antlers though. Assortment snails, flamingos. And the bird baths, of course. Gotta get some water in them. But as you notice out back, it's all fields. Fields all around. Beautiful out here. Love living here. The big pine where the squirrels love to play. Another little bird feeder out here. An old kiddie pool made into a planter, full of weeds right now. Beautiful area. But yeah, I thought I'd make a little video. I'm going to try to get some shots around the bird feeder on the ground over here. I just been ground feeding them and add a Rose Breasted Grosbeak in there this morning, and I'm hoping to get him on video, but he's a little timid. It's been hard. I've set up the camera a couple of times and it keeps shutting off just before he gets in there, and well, we'll see what we can do. Lots of Harris sparrows and white crowned sparrows and other grosbeak are coming in. If you manage your bird situation and keep the common sparrows out, it's amazing the birds you'll get into your feeder. But yeah, it's managing the situation to have what you want. Well, that was a little tour where I'm living. Love the rural life, that's for sure. Can't say how much I love being out of the city. But let's get to the bird video. Enjoy the shots, enjoy these little video clips. I'll edit them together and you'll see the beauty of what I get to watch every day. Well, what do we have here? Oh, he got out. There's a bag of bird food sitting here. Big hole in the side of it. And the birds are climbing in and some of them get stuck in there. I come out and they kind of get in a panic. Robins have built a nest up on the eave trough. Actually, that's been there for a couple of years and they keep coming back. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show and enjoyed the birds as much as I do. I love to sit and watch the birds during the day. Just nothing like it. It's so relaxing. But if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss the next video. I can use your help on this YouTube. They won't monetize anybody until they have 1,000 subscribers, believe it or not. So if you like my videos, press the subscribe button, subscribe, and help me get started. We'll see you all again soon.